Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel, Biochemist Corner. Let's learn some more biochemistry with Miss Biochemist. Recently, it's been increasingly common for people to stay up late into the night and sleep in until early morning, often unintentionally. So, are you sacrificing your health for the sake of a late night scroll or work session? Research shows that staying up late and sleeping in can have devastating consequences for our bodies. So, join me as we explore the fascinating biochemistry of sleep and uncover the essential processes that occur during rest. Our sleep wake cycle or circadian rhythm is regulated by an intricate biochemical process. The suprachiasmatic nucleus responds to light and dark signals from the environment, triggering the release of hormones like melatonin and cortisol. During sleep, our brain goes through different stages, including REM and non REM sleep. REM sleep is characterized by rapid eye movements, vivid dreams, and increased brain activity, while non REM sleep is marked by slower brain waves and physical restoration. Melatonin, produced by the pineal gland, promotes relaxation and sleepiness. Its levels rise in the evening, helping us fall asleep, and decrease in the morning, allowing us to wake up. Sleep deprivation disturbs this delicate biochemical balance, leading to impaired cognitive function, mood disturbances, and increased risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Dr. Walker, a sleep researcher, stated that sleep is not an optional lifestyle luxury, sleep is a non negotiable biological necessity. He is also an author of Why We Sleep. Another sleep researcher, Dr. Maiken, stated that the brain's ability to create waste products, including those associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, is significantly enhanced during sleep. So these quotes highlight the importance of sleep for our overall health and brain function. Dr. Walker emphasizes that sleep is essential for our well-being, while Dr. Nedergaard notes the critical role of sleep in clearing waste products from the brain which may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases. In conclusion, the biochemistry of sleep is a complex and vital process that affects our overall health and well-being. By understanding how our body regulates sleep, we can take steps to improve the quality of our rest and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Time to test your knowledge. In the next four slides, you will see four quick questions about the biochemistry of sleep and circadian cycle. Grab a piece of paper and write down your answers. Then check them against the correct answers on the final slide to see how well you understand the topic. Let's get started. Take note of your answers and see how you score.
Wow! Wow!
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more content. In the comment section below, let me know which biochemical process you would like to explore next, whether it's the science of sleep, digestion, or something else. I would love to hear your suggestions.